Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Learning Concept. I welcome you all again in a new day. Hope you all are well. So let's continue with the remaining letter.
So let's start with a new letter Q. So first of all we will start again from the front line. Okay, from this point only we will make Q. As we have done curves, we will continue a left curve, then you have to go upward and then take a curve and then stop, then make a slanting line downwards from the middle of waistline and baseline. This is letter Q. Okay, in this way you have to make. You can make two curves also, or you can start from a single point and then complete a circle. Now small q. For small q we have to start from the waistline. Take a left curve in this way, go upward, stop, and then come down up to the tail line, and then take a forward slanting up to the waistline. This is small q. So we will practice capital Q like this and small q like this. After this we will learn phonic sound of letter Q.
This is capital Q and this is small q. Now moving towards this phonic sound. So the sound of Q is
Qu, qu,
again repeating.
qu, qu.
So Q for quill, Q for queen.
Next letter is R. This is capital R. Now learn how to write capital R. Start from the front line and make a standing line. Stop here at the base line. Then move right side and make a right curve up to the waistline here, and then come downwards making a slanting line and stop. This is capital R. Capital R. Now I'll make small r. For small r, what we have to do? We have to start from the waistline. Make a standing line. Move little bit upward. Stop here. Then take a slight turn and then come down and stop. This is small r. Once again I'm repeating. Start from the waistline. Come down. Go upward. Take a right turn and then stop. This is small r. So these two letters capital R and small r are completed. Now we will go towards the phonic sound of R.
So this is capital R and this is small letter r. Now moving towards this phonic sound. So the sound of R is again repeating. So R for rose, R for rope.
Next letter is S. Let's practice S. As we have done curves, now again we will start from this front line and make a left curve up to the waistline. You have to stop and then take a right curve and then come back and stop. Be careful, the point should be like this. You have to stop here in front of this and then make a curve and then stop in front of this. So this is capital S. And for small s, what we have to do? We have to start from the waistline. Just the same thing which you have done, but you have to make within these two lines. This S should be made between waistline and baseline. This is small s. So capital S and small s. Now practice the phonic sound of S.
So this is capital S and this is small s. Now moving towards this phonic sound. The sound of S is S. S. Again repeating. S. S. So S for sun. S for sock.
Next letter is T. So let's write capital T. For this, start from this front line, make a sleeping line. Then from the center of the sleeping line, make a standing line up to the base line and stop. This is capital T. Now we will do practice of small t. Again you have to start from this front line, come downward up to the base line and take a turn and then stop. Then make a sleeping line above this waistline. This is small t, capital T and small t. Now practice the phonic sound of T.
So this is capital T and this is small t. Now the phonic sound of T is
T, T,
again repeating.
T, T,
So T for tomato, T for tap.
Next letter is U. It's very easy because we have already done this in patterns. So we will start from the front line, make a standing line and take a turn from here, then go upward and again touch up to the front line. Just you have to make an upper curve from this front line. You have to touch the base line and go upward up to the front line. This is capital U. Now make small u. So we have to start from the waistline, just go downwards, make a upper curve up to the waistline again, then come down and just take a small turn. This is small u. So this one is capital U and this one is small u. Let's practice the phonic sound of U.
So this is capital U and this is small u. Now the phonic sound is
ah, ah,
again repeating.
ah, ah,
So U for under, U for umbrella.
Next letter is V. Let's practice capital V. So again, as usual, we will start from this front line and make a slanting line like this. Okay. Now go upward, making another slanting line. Just make two slanting lines. First, you have to start from this front line, come downwards up to the base line, and then go upward up to the front line and stop. This is capital V. Now practice this, and then for small v, what we have to do, we have to start from the waistline, make a short slanting line, then go upward up to the waistline again. This is small v, capital V and small v. Now practice the phonic sound of V.
So this is capital V and this is small v. So the phonic sound of V is again repeating. So V for van, V for vase.
Next letter is W. So let's practice capital W. Yes, you have to make a slanting line from the front line up to the base line. Then go upward, making a slanting line up to the front line. Again come downward up to the base line and then go upward up to the front line. So you have to make 4 slanting lines in this way. This is capital W. Now we will make small w between these two lines, waistline and baseline. Let's start. Yes, you have to make slanting line in this way. Stop. This is capital W and this is small w. Let's practice the phonic sound of W.
So this is capital W and this is small w. Now the phonic sound of W is
wa, wa,
again repeating.
wa, wa,
So W for watch, W for watermelon.
Next letter is X. Let's practice capital X. Yes, we have to start from this front line. We will make a slanting line up to the base line like this. Now, from here I will make another slanting line up to the base line. We have to cross this two slanting line, and this is capital X. Now we will make small x between baseline and baseline. Just make a cross between these two lines. This is small x, capital X, small x. Now practice the phonic sound of X.
So this is capital X and this is small x. So the phonic sound of X is,
X, X,
again repeating,
X, X,
X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray.
Next letter is Y. Let's practice capital Y. From the front line we will make a small slanting line like this. Then again you have to go upward making a slanting line. Then make a standing line. This is capital Y. In this way you have to practice. Now small y. Again we have to start from this waistline only. Make a slanting line. Then again from the waistline we will make a slanting line and move downward and take a turn. This is small y. Capital Y and small y. Now practice the phonic sound of Y.
So this is capital Y and this is small y. Now the phonic sound is,
Y, Y,
again repeating.
Y, Y,
So Y for yo-yo, Y for yak.
Now the next letter is Z. Let's practice capital Z. So from the front line we will start. We will make a sleeping line. Then a slanting line up to the base line. Then again make a sleeping line. Be careful, this point should be of same points. Okay, then you will write in a neat way. Let's practice small z. You have to start from this waistline, make a slanting line, and then again make a sleeping line. This is small z. This is capital Z and this is small z. Let's practice the sound of Z.
So this is capital Z and this is small z. Now the phonic sound. Again repeating. So Z for zebra, Z for zip. So we have completed all the alphabets, the capital and the small with their phonic sound. So we will continue with another blending sounds. So for more videos, subscribe our channel, Learning Concept. Do like and press the bell icon and share as much as you can. पिछले वीडियो का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अवेलेबल है.